So this video is regarding the assignments of December cycle 2022. The subject is operations and supply chain strategies. Let's see, we have to consider the assignment parameters, that is how we are getting a score. For theoretical questions, the introduction carries 20% of the marks, concept and application related to the question goes 60% of the marks, and conclusion goes with the 20% of the marks. So similarly, when we are answering for a numerical question, okay, let's move to the first question. So there is XYZ Limited company operating in retail business and having numerous products. Because of dynamic market condition, company is facing lots of problems such as decreased revenue, increased operation cost, competition cost, etc. Suggest organization to implement focused operation strategy that improve the efficiency of the firm. Let's see, we can go with the chapter 2 in subheading 2.5 focused operation strategy, page number 57. So, yeah, here we have focused operation strategy. Here you can uh, find what are the basic strategies has to be followed, and how different factors will be affecting each strategy and which business will accept what kind of a strategy. So basically for the retail one, you have to find out and go ahead and write in your own words what kind of a strategy will suit best. And one more information, when it comes to the definitions what has been written by a person, uh, this one you can, as it is, you can keep the definition as it is because it is a definition by that person. So for particular this thing, you will be showing as a plagiarism, but it is acceptable as a definition. And for anything else, please try to read and write it in your own words. So these are the I think you have a way information, enough information here. Try to find out and look for a shorter and more meaningful answers from here. Let's go ahead to the question 2. You have been appointed as a supply chain consultant in e-commerce company. Company operates in various product lines such as books, mobile phones, laptops, apparels, etc. To increase customer base, top management of the firm is thinking to acquire furniture startup. Simultaneously, company has also need to focus on existing business model. Analyze and suggest a different level of strategies that you will implement in the firm that can improve overall business profit. So for this, go ahead with the chapter 10. Here we have introduction part, subheading 10.1, customer service and cost trade-off, uh, subheading 10.2, um, internal and external performance measurement 10.3, linkage supply chain and business performance 10.4. So these are the information you can find in our book, the page number 266. Introduction. So here you can start collect some information for the introduction part of it, and then it is quite a big information overall. Try to be a little precise, and you can easily come to 1,000 words easily here in this case. So here, whatever you can see some pictures, if you feel it's very much necessary, try to make it in your own way. You can as well experiment with the tables or arrows and shapes, boxes. Okay, so you have here internal and external performance measures 10.3, 10.4, linkaging supply chain and business performance. So overall, you have a good amount of information here. So try to put up in your own words and get a 1,000-word answer. Let's move on to the question 3. A traditional pharmacy company is planning to start an online channel to reach better geographical location. Company sends huge amount of money in technology to improve supply chain. Company also looks took help from third party logistics to deliver the other orders. Explain existing. Now, this is the question 3. In 3A, what is the question is explain existing situation of company with respect to industry life cycle. So we have to look for industry life cycle that comes in chapter 4, subheading 4.3, page number 127. Let's see, 127. Yeah, here comes business level strategies and industry life cycle. So industry life cycle, this one, what you can do is you can look for again your creativity to do this one, and please do not just screenshot this and paste it. Try to create your own. Once you have done it and you just want to do it, just keep it in down a reference as NMIMS book, and you can write the explanation in your own words. Okay, moving to 3B. Explain different competitive advantages that ultimately help company to get better position in the market. So for this again we have to go with the chapter 4. 4.4 is competitive advantage, page number 130. Yeah, we are with competitive advantage. Oh, this one was the earlier question was life cycles 4.3, and for the 3B we are at 4.4 competitive advantage. So as I mentioned earlier, if there are any definitions you want to write it, you can write it. These definitions, it comes in the plagiarism, but you can mention that these definitions are acceptable, and you can also mention this is where you have taken like NMIMS book as a reference. Okay, so this is 3B, and I have done best of my knowledge to identify the better solution. So if you find any added point of to this, please comment to me. Thank you so much.